Hi guys, this is Brandina, and today we are doing 3 ways to make hot chocolate. So I have 2 ways I haven't really thought of before, and we have the traditional way. So I'm going to start with the most basic traditional way that I know of. So, close this. We're going to get a hot chocolate pack, a pack of hot chocolate, and all I am going to do is get a mug, traditional mug, which I'm just going to add in here. This is instead of the microwave because I already have this out anyway, and I'm not going to use the microwave. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up, or I wouldn't say boil, but just heat up. And yep, we're just going to wait for this to heat up, and then we're going to add the hot cocoa pack. So, the milk looks like, or it sounds like it should be ready. All the bubbles have disappeared, and it looks like it's starting to heat up. So all I'm going to do is going to be extra. This is basically, instead of putting this in the microwave and putting this in, I'm just going to be really extra and getting this pack and slowly going to mix it into the milk with a whisk, because I'm using a whisk for the other 2 recipes. Definitely very hot milk. And what I'm going to do, just open this up and just pour the rest. Just mix it. And now that the milk is done, I'm going to turn this off. Actually, no, I'm not. We still have more to go. What I'm going to do, move this to the side. This is the hot, actually. We're going to wait for this to cool down so I can pour it in my mug as we start with another. Frick, I did not plan for this. So, here is the next one. The pot. Here's another, here's another pot for the one, which is, this is the second ingredient, this is the second one, and for this one we are just going to be doing a nice and simple hot chocolate with no kind of extra ingredients, I don't think. So first we are going to add the liquids, which over here, this I have combined 1 cup of milk with 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. Then we are going to add, I think this is around 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then for the cocoa powder, we are adding 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And I'm just going to mix that. Hopefully it turns out good. Well, it's turning the color, which is good. And at the end, we are just going to compare all of the hot chocolates, and they are all single serve. This looks like hot chocolate, guys. I think I did something right. That one's like way lighter than this one, but I honestly don't know why, and I don't care why. I think it has to do with the actual cocoa powder. I really want to taste this, but this is way too hot. Like, period. Yeah, I'm just going to keep mixing this. I'm done with that. I think I'm just going to, like, set it aside. Hopefully y'all got that. And now for Okay guys, and I'm now ready for the last hot chocolate. This is the pot, if you remember, we used it for the instant hot chocolate, and we're going to use it for the last type of hot chocolate. So 4 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate, 1 tablespoon of Coke. We have 1 tablespoon. Okay, hold up. I'm gonna try the liquids first. So we have over here 1.5 cups of whole milk. Pour a bit in there, bit of this mixture, and no. Okay. I'm just gonna start mixing, and hopefully this is hot enough to melt the chocolate, because it needs to be. And this is an Italian style hot chocolate. The recipe that I found off the internet. This is the 3rd way that I'm going to show you on how you can make hot chocolate. There are so many other ways. That's basically the meaning of the video. There are so many other ways to do things that you've never known about. Heck, I didn't even know this recipe was a thing until now. I thought there was only a couple of types, and I didn't even know or bother how to make them. Yes, so this dark chocolate is still melting. I'm going to add a bit more of the milk, because I can. This is a very dark. Look at how dark this is, guys. Like, it's so dark. I don't even know how the heck it got this dark. It's just this dark. And then I'm just gonna keep mixing. I'm gonna add the rest of the milk. Oh, it's supposed to be this light. Well, not light, kind of like a dark brown. Not a very dark brown, just a dark brown. And I'm just nicely stirring this up. So I'm just gonna let it sit there. Probably gonna turn this off, just in case. So y'all, I'm going to taste all of these in one go and compare them. Goodbye now. To verify, okay, hi guys, this is Brandino, and this is going to be around the end of the video. These are the 3 hot chocolates: the Italian style, the instant, and the oh, that's a little, and the simple. So Colin, which one do you want to try first?
Wait.
Okay, then take a sip. Okay, before you give what you think of it, try these 2. Okay, what do you think?
That one tastes a lot like fudge chocolate. It was very hot, and it tasted good.
Was it thick?
Yeah.
Okay. What's this?
That one.
This one is just a classic hot chocolate that you can make in the microwave.
Yeah, that one didn't taste so good. It's cold too. I think they left it out.
Okay, this one.
That one tastes the best. As nice.